Let's have an overview of a client profile through your Coach app. When you open any client's profile, this is the page you will land. We will quickly see what all features available and what all things you can do from this page. We are not going to go into the details of it because individual videos of each feature have been made. You can check those videos out. So when you open a client profile, on the very top, you will see the client's name, their age, their gender, their ID. And then besides that, you will see a live session symbol from where you can start a live session. Besides that, you will see client's note. Then below that, you can see a place from where you can assign them a diet plan, assign them a workout plan. You can also check their fitness form that they've filled. You can also see the measurements that they have uploaded. Below that, you can assign a subscription to them from here. You can check your PT sessions details from here. And here are 4 tabs given. One is the weight tab from where you can see the weight and the progress that they're making. Besides that, you will see a body fat chart from where you can see the body fat percentage and the progress they're making on the body fat part. You can see the water tracker. You can assign a water target to them and you can see how much water they are consuming on a daily basis. You can see pictures. You can compare their pictures from here. Then below that, there is a step tracker from where you can check their step target they're hitting on a daily basis. And you can also assign a step target to them. Below the step tracker, there is a health report from where you can generate a health report for them. Below that, there is a recent activity tab from where you can see all the activities they are doing on a day-to-day basis from their customer app. Below activities, you will see calorie tracker and workout tracker, and you can see how much calories they are consuming or how much calories they are burning each workout during each workout. You can also apply dates filter here, and you can check things for a particular date. Below that, you can again set up a fitness goal for them if it is not set, or if you want to change their goal, you can do that from here. And now here are different things available. First is a diary. Whatever notes the clients are updating to you from their customer app, you can see that here. You can see their measurements again from here. You can do various analysis and logs from here, like diet analysis, diet plan history. You can also schedule diet plans to them. In diet analysis, you will see on a weekly basis how they are eating, how much they are eating. On the diet plan history, you can see all the plans that you have assigned to them. Again, in the diet plan schedule, you can schedule diet plans from them and you can see all the diet plans that are scheduled. Same for workouts. In workout analysis, you can see the workouts that they are doing, how much they are doing, what kind of workouts they are doing, how they are performing in each workouts. You can also see calorie burn analysis, personal record analysis. You can schedule workout plans for them. You can see the workout plan history on what plans are assigned to them. And you can also see workout volume analysis. All of these features are also available on customer app where a customer or the client can see the analysis of their own diet and workouts. But as a coach, you can see all of them here through your coach app for them. Below that, there is habit tracker. On habit tracker, you can assign a habit for them. You can see how well they are performing a particular habit you have assigned to them. Below habit tracker, there is a glucose tracker. Now in the glucose tracker, since right now this client has not been assigned any glucose tracker or glucose tracking, hence there is no data available. But if any client has been assigned a glucose tracker and they are tracking their glucose level on a day-to-day basis, you will see a graph here. Below the glucose tracker, there is follow-up section from where you can schedule a follow-up with them, or there is this appointment section from where you can schedule an appointment from them. As this was an overview, for any individual feature, you can check an individual video that is recorded on how to use that feature and what all things you can do inside a particular feature.